place where Jesus Christ was baptized by John in the Jordan River. This is the site that was discovered in 1996, 2 years after the peace agreement between Jordan and Israel. It used to be a closed military zone until then, until 96. Nobody was allowed here. Right. It wasn't accessible until then. And this is where we have a little archaeological remains of 5 successive Byzantine churches built between the 5th and the 12th centuries AD. The 5 churches were built directly on the eastern bank of the Jordan that flew through here until the 12th century. And then the river started shifting naturally to the west. The river moved naturally for about 300 meters over the past 1,000 years, 300 meters in the west. And that's today the current course of the Jordan, which is borderline with Israel today. This is again where we uncovered since 1996 the remains of 5 successive churches and the cruciform baptistry. Down there, in fact, is the monumental cruciform baptistry, which used the waters of the Jordan for the baptism of people, which took the shape of the cross after the waters got through the running waters of the Jordan River, formed with 4 large piers. On the right, we have the 2 original ones. The opposite 2 were partly restored to show the original shape of the public baptism and pool that used the waters for the baptism of people. The running waters of the Jordan River, built at the same point where Jesus himself was baptized by John the Baptist, which means the place where Christianity started from. There are, my friends, remember 4 important evidence that prove the authenticity of the site. I'm talking about the archaeological evidence uncovered recently after 1996, the 5 churches and the cruciform baptistry, and then we have the historical evidence, the historians and pilgrims' accounts who visited the site, who described each of the 5 churches, built one on top of the other on the eastern edge of the Jordan between the 5th and 12th centuries AD. The first church was described by Theodosius from Greece. The second, built on top of the 4 large fields and named after the